Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the realm of precision metal fabrication, CNC plasma cutting machines have emerged as essential tools, revolutionizing the way intricate designs and patterns are crafted from metal sheets. These machines combine the power of computer numerical control (CNC) technology with the versatility of plasma cutting, enabling the creation of intricate and complex shapes with remarkable accuracy. Whether for industrial applications or artistic endeavors, the market offers a diverse range of CNC plasma cutting machines, each with its own set of features and capabilities. In this overview, we will delve into the realm of innovation and efficiency to explore the top 5 contenders for the title of the best CNC plasma cutting machines. From high-speed precision to advanced automation, these machines are at the forefront of shaping metal fabrication possibilities. Let's explore the cutting-edge technologies and unique attributes that make these CNC plasma cutting machines stand out in a competitive landscape, catering to the needs of industries and creators alike. Number 5. EECUT80 CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. Right out of the box, I was impressed by the machine's sturdy construction and compact design. Its dimensions of 613,835 centimeters make it easy to fit into my workshop, saving valuable space, while still offering a cutting area that's more than sufficient for my needs. The solid build of the machine instills confidence in its durability, a crucial factor for any industrial-grade tool. The real magic, however, lies in its cutting capabilities. Equipped with a robust 80A rated current and a maximum cutting thickness of 35 mm at 70 psi, this machine effortlessly tackles even the most demanding tasks. The non-HF pilot arc technology ensures smooth and consistent arc starting, minimizing any potential interference. The 2T4T support feature adds convenience to the workflow, allowing for both manual and hands-free operation as needed. One of the standout features of the CUT80 CNC is its remarkable precision. The PT80 PTM80 torch provides impeccable accuracy, resulting in clean cuts that require minimal post-processing. Number 4. ChemAuCut 120M CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. The first thing that caught my attention was the build quality and design of the machine. The sturdy construction instills confidence, and it's evident that ChemAu has taken great care in crafting a durable and long-lasting piece of equipment. The compact dimensions of the CUT 120M make it suitable for a variety of workshop sizes, and it's easy to find a spot for it without sacrificing too much space. The input voltage requirement of 380 volts is in line with industrial standards, and the machine seamlessly integrated into my existing setup. Setup and installation were relatively straightforward, and the included user manual provided clear instructions that made the process hassle-free. What truly sets the ChemAuCut 120M apart is its CNC capabilities. The precision and accuracy it offers are remarkable. The machine's CNC technology allowed me to effortlessly create intricate designs and intricate cuts that would have been nearly impossible to achieve manually. The included software was intuitive to use and enabled me to convert my designs into executable cutting paths with ease. Number 3. EECUT55 CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. The first thing that caught my attention was its sleek design and compact dimensions. Measuring 463,226 centimeters, the EECUT55 CNC doesn't take up much space in my workshop, making it a perfect fit even in limited workspaces. Despite its size, this machine packs a punch with its 55A rated current and 7.5 kW rated input power, allowing it to effortlessly handle various cutting applications. The non-HF pilot arc technology for arc starting is a notable feature of the EECUT55 CNC. This technology ensures a smooth and reliable arc initiation, eliminating the need for high-frequency starting and minimizing interference with nearby electronic equipment. Additionally, the 2T4T support is a convenient feature that suits different cutting preferences, making it adaptable to various user needs. What truly sets the EECUT55 CNC apart is its exceptional cutting performance. With a maximum cutting thickness of 25 mm at 70 psi, this machine tackles both intricate designs and thicker materials with impressive precision. The 20 to 55A output current range provides the flexibility to optimize cutting speed and quality, based on the material being worked on. Number 2. HeroCut HC8000 CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. One of the standout features of the HC8000 is its cutting precision. The use of advanced IGBT power components and non-HF pilot arc technology ensures clean and precise cuts even on thick materials. With a maximum cutting thickness of 35 mm at 70 psi dry air, this machine handles a wide range of materials effortlessly, from thin sheets to substantial metal blocks. The 2T4T functionality adds to the convenience and ease of use. Whether I'm working on intricate designs or larger projects, I can choose between 2T, 2-touch, or 4T, 4-touch modes, allowing me to focus on the cutting process without constantly holding down the trigger. This feature significantly reduces fatigue during extended cutting sessions. The CNC port support is another major advantage of the HC8000. It seamlessly integrates with computer-aided design (CAD) software, enabling me to execute complex cuts with absolute precision. The torch length of 5 meters provides ample flexibility, allowing me to maneuver around larger workpieces without hassle. Number 1. Andeli Cut 60 CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. The Cut 60's precision in metal cutting is its standout feature. With an ultimate cutting thickness of 35 mm, it handles thick metals with ease and delivers smooth, clean cuts consistently. The Arc Start technology, which is non-high frequency, ensures a reliable ignition without interference. The inclusion of a pilot arc further adds to the precision, allowing for precise piercing and cutting without damaging the material. Setting up the Andeli Cut 60 was straightforward, thanks to the well-organized manual and clear labeling of components. The machine offers both 220V and 380V input voltage options, providing flexibility in various working environments. The controls are intuitive and user-friendly, allowing even those with limited experience in CNC equipment to quickly grasp its functionality. One of the most exciting features of the Cut 60 is its adaptability to CNC equipment. With a CNC interface, the machine seamlessly integrates into computer numerical control systems, which opens up a world of possibilities for automation and intricate designs. This adaptability has saved me time and effort in complex projects that require precise and repetitive cuts. Thanks for watching this video.